Namaste children, welcome back to English grammar class. Children, in today's class, let us learn about verbs. Verbs means saying words or doing words, we can say. Okay children, just listen. Running, jumping, singing, reading, writing, standing, sitting, all these burning, swimming, fighting, building, all these, what does it shows children? It shows the doing thing, what we are doing. Here you can see here, the boy laughs, the sun shines in the sky, the dog barks at the cow, the train runs on rails. You can see here what boy does, he laughs. What sun does, sun shines. What dog do, it barks at the cow. The train, it will run. So in all these things, they are doing something, isn't it? The words which say something are called verbs. Laughs, shines, barks, runs, all these words, whatever it says something about that particular noun is called as it is called as verb or saying words. Okay children, you see here, Sita dances, fire burns, the bell rings, fish swim, Ashok drinks tea, Sohan works hard, birds sing, Bali jumps, the baby cries, the lion roars, birds build nests, soldiers fight. You see, all these in red color, what does it? It shows the action. Okay, it shows action, or it is used to say something about that particular thing or person. So, these are called as a verb. Okay, verb consists of more than one word also. Okay, so you can see here, Sushila is reading her book. Here is reading. What she is doing, Sushila? She is reading her book. The moon is shining in the sky. Is shining. The boys are playing football. The boys are running a race. See here, more than one word it is there. Is reading, are playing, are running, is shining. These are all shows again the verbs. So now what we will do, we will solve the exercise. Underline the nouns and circle the verbs in the following sentences. Mice lives in holes. Live is the verb. Mice and holes are the nouns. Nouns we must underline. Verb we must circle. Okay. So now look here. The sun rises in the east. Sun and east, they are the nouns, and rises is the verb. The moon shines at night. Here shines is a verb. You must circle moon, night, underline. The sun sets in the west. Sun. The sun sets. Sets is the verb, and west and sun is the noun. The clock tells us the time. What does the clock says? Clock tells us the time. Tells is the verb. Tom is climbing a tree. Tom and tree are the nouns. What is Tom doing? He's climbing a tree. So climbing is a verb, you must circle. Owls cannot see in the daylight. Owls and daylight. See here, only see is the verb. Fish swim in the river. Swim is the verb. Fish and river are the nouns. Here are some doing words. Here some doing words they have given children. You must put each one into the blanks space given here. Okay. What is the first one? The ox dashed the cart. The ox pulls the cart. The stars shine in the sky. The horse gallops down the road. The rain pours. The guard blows his whistle. The soldiers march along the road. The monkey climbs up the tree. The postman brings letters. So here children, complete the following sentences by adding a doing word and then any other ending. Here also they have done the first one. The boys are playing in the field. See, you must complete the following sentence by adding a doing word and then any other ending it can be done. So here they have taken the boys here is the noun here are playing in the field. The teacher is teaching in the class. The teacher is teaching in the class. Mohan is drinking a glass of milk. The driver drives the bus. The peacock is dancing in the rain. Okay, children. So, like this, you must frame some of the sentences along with nouns and the verbs. Okay, children. Thank you.